We are discussing 7th class social studies, 10th chapter, rain and rivers. Rain is the main source of our Indian agriculture. Rain is the main source of our Indian rivers. Rainfall is the main important irrigation facilities. Rain is dependent upon monsoons. Southwest monsoons is the important monsoons of Indian atmosphere. Our India highest rainfall received from southwest monsoons. Bulk of rain received by India from southwest monsoons. Southwest monsoons spread, starting from mid-June to September. The monsoon spread out throughout India. Rain season or Indian agriculture is also very important. Southwest monsoon is boom of the Indian agriculture. The Kharif season is the main season. Kharif season also rainy season. In season, Indian agriculture is very developed. Rainy season also monsoon season, advancing monsoon season. First monsoon center in India, Kerala state, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay. North, south, east, west. The monsoons going between southwest direction. Southwest direction is also southwest monsoon. The time mid-June to September. End. Then the monsoon retreat northeast direction. The northeast direction, northeast monsoon. The season is Rabi season, Kharif, Rabi. October, November and December. The very Kharif season. Rabi. Winter season. Rabi season main crop India, wheat. Kharif season main crop paddy, rice. So many crops growing in the seasons, Rabi and Kharif. Our India, our Indian government, state government, So many projects constructed on the rivers. The water stored by projects purpose for the multi-purpose projects there. Suppose Godavari, Krishna, Karna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapati. So many rivers in our Indian peninsula. North India, Himalayan rivers there. Godavari, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus. Himalayan rivers and Indian peninsula rivers, two types, South Indian. Himalayan rivers, perennial rivers. I mean, the river water flowing throughout India. I mean, 365 years. Our Indian peninsula rivers not perennial. Only the river water flowing rainy season. Remain the river water is coming in the rivers also. Right. Himalayan rivers is completely throughout the year flowing water. Right. Himalayan mountains melting summers. I mean summer season also water and rivers is called perennial rivers. Our Indian atmosphere, our Indian rainwater, the rainwater filled by the rivers, the river water is important of our Indian agriculture. Our Indian people, our Indian farmers, our Indian agriculture is also very important. Irrigation facilities from rivers. Our India received a bulk of rainfall from southwest monsoons. Monsoon type of climate of India. Rain is the important. Rivers of Andhra Pradesh important rivers Godavari, Krishna. Godavari is the second biggest, largest river in India. Our Andhra Pradesh first place, first biggest river. Second Krishna. The river starting from Western Ghats, Maharashtra. River and rain. Precipitation, condensation, evaporation, evapotranspiration, runoff, hydrological cycle. The process, hydrological cycle process. Second, part 2, groundwater. Rain and rivers lesson part 2. Groundwater. The water going to the surface water and source of water to the surface and groundwater. Groundwater level is completely tanks. Tanks. Wells. Tanks. Wells. may know wells. Well 1, well 2, well 1 well, groundwater level, well 1, well 2, groundwater level very subject well 1, well 2 groundwater is very depth, well 3, depth, some regions wells is comfortable of the groundwater. Groundwater table is high. Very well. The well situated in coastal region, situated in near of the river, situated near of the water facility, situated in coastal belt, situated in rainfall region. Well 2, the rainwater, the well is located plateau region, rocky region, rainfall not comfortable region, especially plateau region, rocky region, the groundwater level is completely. The farmers use groundwater today. The farmers use groundwater help of the motor pump sets. This is the bore wells, bore wells. Generally, wells in winter season, in rainy season, and summer season especially. In winter season, rainy season, wells water level is high. Why? The rainwater and well. So farmers use groundwater. Today farmers is growing so many different crops, 3 types of winter seasonal, summer seasonal, and rainy seasonal. 3 seasons right. So many commercial and food crops produced by farmers above the groundwater. Farmers with the bore wells. The groundwater level is very high and is very low and medium. I mean, some regions groundwater level is completely different. Good. Now, why groundwater level is different? Some areas very high level ground, some areas very low level. By so many factors influence groundwater level, groundwater table. Nowadays, the farmers utilize the ground over using groundwater level also nowadays completely increased. Now farmers are producing so many crops. Seasons Kharif, Rabi and dry season. But the groundwater level is completely increased. Lot of water, groundwater used by the farmers purpose for the agriculture. So many crops producing by the farmers utilize of wells and bore wells with the help of the power and motor pump sets. Over in the wells, bore wells. That's why the groundwater level is, groundwater table is completely decreasing. Every year, decreasing the groundwater level. Now, the people use surface water, canal water, river water, rain water. In summer season and rainy season, the farmers use wells, bore wells, seasons, farmers play the groundwater. Some region is very hard, some is very rocky region. In rocky region, the borewell or well digging not comfortable, digging very tough. Some borewells depth some 100 feet. Some wells only digging few meters. While the land, the surface area, the region, the site is important. Hilly region, rocky region, flat region is completely covered with rocks. Coastal region, I mean near the rivers region, the water level table also very high. Of course, now the 42 chapter wells, tanks, groundwater level, well 1, well 2, well 3. The people, farmers digging the wells and ground wells. Sometimes the farmer digging the well, there is no groundwater available in the well. The farmer also lot of the money expenditure purpose for the agriculture, purpose for the irrigation, purpose for the water. There is no God, there is no available in the groundwater. Anyhow, here rain and rivers chapter, groundwater level day by day, year by year decreasing. Today, the farmers use the 3 seasons. Not only rainy season, Kharif, today Rabi season, Jail, summer season also. The farmers growing, producing the crops, commercial food crops, whatever. Our Indian economy, our Indian agriculture depend upon monsoons. Monsoons is very important. Rainy season, monsoons effort in our India, the rains also available in our India. There is no monsoons, meaning that the time there is no rainfall falling in our region. Monsoon so is the important. Our Andhra Pradesh, so many cyclones occurred there. Important cyclones and 1977 Division, Krishna district. At time 10,000 people died. Recent Hudu cyclone, so many cyclones. Hudu cyclones happened in Visakhapatnam. Bhimasema in Krishna district in 1977, the biggest cyclone in India and Andhra. Loss of human, loss of property, loss of production, agriculture, crops, all things is completely collapsed by the cyclones. Cyclones again our Andhra Pradesh, so in India also. Recently, Hudu cyclone. India, rainwater and our river. India received Bhagavad rain, automatically the rivers also will rivers, river water. Recently, so many floods occur in Krishna Godavari rivers. The river water covered. So that here or near rain and river water, two questions right there. First one, what is the importance of rainwater? Write some rivers names in India. Okay, your question. Importance of rainwater. Write some rivers names. Indian rivers names. Write some rivers names. Okay.